Hello, my name is Mukhit Kulmaganbetov. I am a senior research fellow at the Center for Eye and Vision Research.
Hello, I'm Taranjit Singh. I'm also a research assistant at Center for Eye and Vision Research in Hong Kong.
So the problem that we are trying to solve is age-related macular degeneration. This is the common cause of irreversible blindness in the world. As far as we know, there are more than 200 million people suffer from this disease.
So there are no current devices which can detect this disease at the early stage. So we can separate this disease into 3 stages: early, intermediate, and late stage. Current devices such as fundus photography and OCT can only detect it at the intermediate or later stage. So we are trying to fill the gap and try to detect it as early as possible.
So we are very proud that we are the first group of people, team of researchers who introduced a quantum technology to the vision sciences. The device that we built uses very specific patterns using very specific photons.
So what we can do is we can generate a special type of laser called structured light, which incorporates circularly polarized light, and we can also change the quantum state of the light such that it induces a pattern in the person's retina.
Yeah, so that pattern is directed to the human retina, and then the perception of this pattern is different for different types of people. If the macula is healthy, so people easily can detect it, its rotation, and with and without abstraction. If people suffer from any macular dystrophies or degeneration, they have a huge struggle, and we have a psychophysical task to mathematically calculate the diameter of the retinal polarizer.
We wish to use this device as a mass screening device for anyone over 50 years old. So because it's very compact, easy to use, you don't require any medical background to operate this machine. You don't require any pharmaceuticals, no eye drops to initiate this perception task. So we hope that we can reach as many people as possible and save as many vision as possible.
We already won several prizes and cups. So the first and one of the most important for us is the Hong Kong Invention Award from International Jury, and then the gold medal we won in Hong Kong.
We also got recognized at the Geneva Inventions by the Romanian delegation, where they awarded us a special prize for our breakthrough ophthalmic diagnostic device slope. And this is the gold trophy we have received as a special prize.
On top of that, we recently were announced that we won the gold medal with congratulations, which is the biggest achievement here in Geneva. Please follow us on all social medias, including LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. CEVR, together we see further.